Bay MPS Merchant Services Group Incorporation, or Inc., a leading provider of innovative payment solutions tailored to meet the diverse needs of businesses worldwide. With a commitment to excellence and a customer-centric approach, we specialize in delivering secure, efficient, and scalable payment processing services that empower merchants to thrive in a dynamic market environment. So, so, what are we going to talk about in this presentation? Here are the outline. We will talk about the company, or what is the WorldPay MPS, the vision mission, the key process and services, market impact, innovation and technology, community engagement, partnership and collaboration, achievement and milestones, future goals, and lastly, the conclusion. Pay MPS is a comprehensive suite of service includes credit card processing, point of sale system or POS or POS, e-commerce solutions, and advanced fraud prevention tools, all designed to streamline transaction and enhance customer experience. At WorldPay MPS, we leverage cutting-edge technology and industry expertise to ensure seamless and reliable payment processing, enabling businesses to focus on what they do best, serving their customers. Partner with us and experience the WorldPay MPS difference. Our dedicated team of professionals is here to support you every step of the way, providing personalized solutions that drive growth and success. Discover the future payment processing with WorldPay MPS Merchant Service Group Incorporation. Our, our vision and mission. Our vision is to be a global leader in payment solutions, empowering businesses of all sizes to achieve seamless and secure transaction, driving innovation and growth in a rapid evolving digital economy. Our mission at WorldPay MPS Merchant Service Group Inc. is to provide state-of-the-art payment solution that enhance the efficiency, security, and scalability of our clients' operation. We decided we are dedicated to deliver exceptional customer service, fostering long-term partnership, and continuously innovating to meet the evolving needs of the global market. Through our commitment to excellence, we strive to create value for our clients, employees, and stakeholders, contributing to a more connected and financially inclusive world. Feel free to customize the statements to better alignment with the specific. What are our key products? Credit card processing, secure and efficient processing of credit card payments, on point of sales system or POS, advanced POS solutions in the store transaction, e-commerce solution, payment processing for online businesses, mobile payment solution, mobile payment options for businesses on the go, fraud prevention tools, advanced tools to detect and prevent fraud, merchant accounts, set up and manage of the merchant accounts, payment gateway service, secure gateways for processing payments online, recurring bill solution, automated recurring payments processing, customer support, dedicated support for all payment processing needs, integration service, seamless integration with virus business system. Next one is how do we impact in our market? Enhancing payment efficiency, streamline payment processes for businesses, reducing transaction times and improving cash flows, boosting security, implementing advanced fraud prevention tools, ensuring secure transaction and protecting customer data, supporting business growth of offering scalable payment solution that adapt to business needs, facilitating expansion and innovation, improving customer service experience, providing seamless and reliable payment options, enhancing overall customer satisfaction and loyalty, driving digital transformation, enabling businesses to adopt modern payment technologies, staying competitive in a rapidly evolving market, fostering financial inclusion, making payment processing accessible to businesses of all sizes, contributing to a more inclusive economy, delivering exceptional support, offering dedicated customer service support, ensuring businesses can focus on its core, innovation and technology, advanced payment gateways, secure and efficient online transaction processing, mobile payment solution, and cutting-edge mobile payment technologies for on-the-go transaction, AI-powered fraud detection, artificial intelligence to identify and prevent fraudulent activities, integrated POS system, modern point of sales system that integrate with virus businesses applications, contactless payment option, NFC and RFID technologies for fast contactless payment, e-commerce platform, robust solution for seamless online shopping experience, blockchain technology, enhanced transaction security and transparency through blockchain, cloud-based services, scalable and flexible cloud solution for payment processing and data management, API integration, easy integration with various business software and platform through APIs, data analytics tools, advanced analytic for actionable insights and improve decision making. As Merchant Services Group Inc. engage to its community, we engage with our local partnerships, collaborating with local businesses and organizations to support economic growth, program educational program offering workshops and resources on financial literacy and payment technology, philanthropy, donating to and supporting local charities and community projects, volunteering initiatives encouraging employees to volunteer and participate in community service activity, small business support, providing special programs and discounts to help local businesses thrive. Sustainability efforts, implementing environmentally friendly practices and support green initiative in the community. Our partners and collaborations. First is financial institution. Of course, we need that. The banks and current credit unions to offer comprehensive payment solution. Technology provider. It is important to collaborate with the technology providers because it's leading tech companies for cutting edge payment processing technology. E-commerce platform, online marketplace and shopping carts provide for seamless integration. Post system manufacturers, developers of advanced point of sales system. Security firms, companies specializing in fraud prevention and cybersecurity. Industry association, memberships in trade and business association for advocacy and networking. Local businesses, small and medium-sized enterprise for tailored payment solution and support. Consulting firm, business consultants to enhance service offering and customer experience. The achievements and milestones. Market expansion, successfully expanded operations to multiple international market, innovation awards, received industry awards to innovate payment technologies, customer growth, grown a diverse client base including thousands of merchants worldwide. Transaction volume processed billions of transactions annually, demonstrating scalability and reliability. Security certifications. Achieve top security certifications ensuring standards in transaction security. Technology integration integrated with major e-commerce platform and POS system enhancing versatility. Sustainability initiatives. Launch program promoting sustainable and environmentally friendly practices. Community engagement recognized for active participation and contributions to local communities. Goals. Global expansion, further expanding into emerging markets and enhancing international presence. Innovation leadership, continuing to pioneer new payment technologies and solutions. Customer-centric solution, developing personalized service to meet diverse customer needs. Enhanced security, strengthening cybersecurity measures to ensure the highest level of transaction security. Sustainability initiatives increase focus on environmentally sustainable business practices. Partnership growth, forming strategic alliance with leading industry players to expand service offering. Market leadership, maintaining a leading position in the payment processing industry through continuous growth and innovation. These goals reflect WorldPay MPS Merchant Service Group Inc. commitment to advancing technology, expanding market research, reach, and delivering exceptional value to customer worldwide. In conclusion, WorldPay MPS Merchant Service Group Inc. stands as a leading force in the payment processing industry, distinguished by its commitment to innovation, security, and customer-centric solution with a robust portfolio including credit card processing, e-commerce solutions, and advanced fraud prevention tools. WorldPay MPS empowers businesses globally to streamline operations and enhance customer experience. Looking forward, the company aims to expand its global footprint, drive technological advancement, strengthen partnerships, and uphold its reputation for excellence in service and community engagement. WorldPay MPS Merchant Service Group Inc. continue to shape the future of payment solutions, ensuring businesses thrive in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. So thank you for your attention. I if you have any clarifications or questions, you can send it to us now. Okay. Again, thank you and have a great day.